welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey, I got an exciting recipe for you. Again, caught myself on fire. Woo! We are gonna do dragon wheels for you guys. All right, you just have to hang in there. Let me wipe off my hands real quick. We'll get this mixed up. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry about that. I had to wipe off my hand. Sort of caught on fire. All right, so we got our 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of blue cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. This is why these are called dragon wheels, because these are a little spicy. I am taking my awesome Reaper sauce by Elijah's Extreme Hot Sauces. I don't want to make it too hot because other people are eating it, but we're going to put a half a teaspoon in there. This stuff is amazing, guys. All right. And we're going to, well, here. It'll be easier to pour this. Uh-oh.
GG's.
A little bit of Tress there or something. I don't know. Who knows? All right, we're gonna put 1/3 cup of buffalo wing sauce in there.
Oh, I thought that was hot sauce.
It is, but it's buffalo. It's basically Frank's Red Hot. It's what you use for your wings. But we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna throw in a little splash, about a 1/4 teaspoon of habanero powder. And we're going to throw in about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Remember, we don't want it too spicy. We got guests using this. Hopefully my cream cheese is soft enough. We'll find out. Watch out for the flying cream cheese there, Gunty. We're going to go ahead and blend this up real good, get it nice and creamy. There it goes. The reason I'm blending in the blue cheese, a lot of people don't like blue cheese, but what goes good with buffalo wings? Blue cheese dip? Oh yeah. At least I like blue cheese in mine. Alright, so now we got this stuff nice and creamy. With that poor mixer, it's seen its better days. Set that over there. Water and electric always goes good together. All right. So we got that. All right. And we're going to throw in. Now, I don't like using the prefab cheese, but sort of in a hurry today. I'm running behind. Always. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, you know. All right, and we're going to throw in a half a cup some Colby Jack. They didn't have pepper jack shredded, which it's almost impossible to find. But you know. And we're going to throw in about a half a cup of cheddar. Ooh, a brand new bottle, guys. I already shook it up earlier. There she goes. A little bit of ranch. I'm going to throw in about a tablespoon. All right. These are good sized green onions. All right. Peel those off a little bit, fling it everywhere for you guys. I'm gonna just chop off the ends because those are usually dried out and dead anyway. Good to be back with you. In Gucci, we like you guys. You're all right. We love you, actually. All right, so we want to thin slice these green onions, guys. All right. Remember, fingers back. You want to keep those digits, you know. Or you'd be running around, people be calling you Tommy Two Fingers. But you know, I'm in a little hurry today, guys, so forgive me for zooming along here. Well, if you want to call it that. But we're going to go ahead and dice these up a little smaller. You don't want a big chunk of onion in your wrap, you know what I mean? I'm not going to put any salt in there, guys, because the hot sauce and everything's salty enough. Alright? So we got our green onions here. Little sound effects for you. Hey, you won't hear it anyway when I put the music in the video. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and dice up our chicken. About 2 cups there, guys. And this is that prefab stuff from Sam's Club. Comes in a can. It's already cooked. Quickest way to do this. These are good, guys. You're gonna love these. You know, and I know these are a common thing. People make these all the time. But it's not Reaper style. These are Reaper style, guys. Look at how easy the stuff dices up. It's amazing. Plus, it's gonna break up more when you stir it. Stuff's tender, flaky. All right. And we're gonna do some chicken bacon ranch ones as well. We won't have to film that. All right. Let's see here. Whoops. Bunch of men down there, guys. There's a whole infantry gone. You only want like 2 cups there. Well, looks like almost got that perfect. Other than the stuff I'm throwing all over the table. Pretty awesome. Alright, 2 cups of chicken. And don't worry, guys, my hands are super clean. I just had to wash all the pyrotechnics off of there because I fried all the hair on my hands. Alright. spoon here. And we're going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. I'm just going to spoon this in, guys. I think I forgot my pepper flakes. Yeah, we put some habanero stuff in there, so we'll be good. That'll be enough heat. Definitely will be enough heat. I don't want it to be super hot. I like a little heat, but I like flavor. Of course, then there's times where I really like to smoke the tongue right out of my mouth. Like when I did the one chip challenge for Pequite. I actually have a video up in our library of that. Alright. Look at that. Got the cameraman stealing the snitch over there. What do you think, Gunch?
That's good.
It's good? Alright.
Not that spicy.
Not that. No, okay. Good.
But spicy enough for your stuff.
Spicy enough? Spicy enough to know it's there. Alright, guys. Hey, let me wipe off my table real quick. I'll be right back. Hey, guys. Welcome back. Mess is cleaned up. Now, look. This is enough mixture. You'll be able to do 4 10-inch tortillas with this. Okay? Now, you want to keep about a 1/2 inch away from the edge. That way, when you roll it up, it doesn't make a huge mess. I know. Reaper is the speed king. Not all the time. Actually, I'm quite slow. But you know what? Oh well. Yeah. But, hey, we're up to like 395 subscribers, guys. That's pretty cool. But don't forget, subscribe, like, hit the bell for all notifications. And we have maybe some t-shirts getting ready to come out, all right? I talked to a guy the other day. We're going to do like 3 different designs. And, you know, I'll get some feedback from you guys, okay? All right, so there we go. There's one and done. And what you want to do, guys, you just want to roll it. All right, we're going to roll it. See what I mean about keeping away from the edges? And what we're going to do is we're going to let these chill off in the fridge for about a 1/2 hour. All right, so, but you roll it tightly, keeps it together. All right, one and done. Look at that. All right.
How much are we making?
4 of these.
4?
Yeah. You can put as much filling in as you'd like, guys. All right? But these are Reaper's Dragon wings. What's a Reaper without a dragon, right?
Or side.
And Gunchy got the Reaper Keeper earlier because I'm actually cooking for folks. So I'm not going to be sampling the product until it's done. And Timber agrees. Look at that. He's my big white Great Pyrenees, sort of like a big lion.
Or polar bear.
Or a polar bear. And lately, he's just been a plain butthole. Because, you know, there's a female dog in heat, so he decides he's going to destroy my fence. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. All right. And give it a quick roll, guys. Don't worry about the ends. We're going to cut the ends off. Okay? I just despise plastic wrap. It always wants to stick together. That's all right. Uh-oh. Coming unwrapped there. Let's rewrap it a little bit. All right. And when you're rolling it in the wrap, then you can roll it tight. All right. But we're going to let them chill. That way it hardens back up. All right. But I'm going to finish doing these 2 other ones, guys. And I'll see you when they're ready. All right, guys. Welcome back. Just pulled these out of the fridge. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to whack the end off. And we'll let that be a Gunchy keeper.
Gunchy keeper.
Yeah, you know, Reaper's Keeper's son over there.
Amazing.
Amazing. Here's another if you want it. And then all you got to do with these guys, just slice them. I know, you all probably know how to make these. About a ½ inch thick. You want to put them in the fridge though, so the sour cream hardens back up after you softened it. You know what I mean? But we got a party to get to, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get these plated for you. These things are amazing.
Gunchy approved.
Gunchy approves.
Well, I approve of every food you make, but
That's because you're biased. It's all good. You're allowed. That was a little baby one there. All right, let me slice up some more. Trying to find the open end of the wrap. That's another story, you know? All right. Remember, just chop off the end. Look, Gunchy's trying to grab it. Go ahead, buddy. These are the Reaper's drag-in wheels, or pinwheels as y'all call them. But you know, I have my own name for things. Sort of like the flaming torpedoes. Those are amazing too, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, hit the bell for all notifications. Yeah, we can probably do another right there. All right.
oh,
Look, he's already doing the thumbnail. Like, yeah, let's get the thumbnail in. All right. But there you have it, guys. Thanks for being with us again on another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And as always, God bless. We love you all, and we will see you next time.